Hi, I want to show you how to connect an SD card with adapter to Google Pixel 9a. So, firstly, take your SD card, which looks like that, and prepare this SD card reader or adapter with Type-C. Now, you're gonna put an SD card into this reader like that and connect it to your phone just like that. After that, to check files on your SD card, you need to find Files app, open up, scroll down, and in All Storage category, find your mass storage. From here, you can find all of your files. You can also choose to move that file to your phone's internal storage. And you can do the same but reverse, so you can transfer files from your internal storage to an SD card by tapping this option. Now, if you need to unplug this adapter, then you need to swipe down from the upper left corner and find this message, USB drive. From here, just tap on option eject, and now you can securely unplug your SD card. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.